This is 1.2, solving multi-step equations. To solve multi-step equations, we are going to use inverse operations to isolate the variable. Isolating the variable means getting the variable by itself. So adding and subtracting are inverses, and multiplying and dividing are also inverses. I cannot add something that is being divided. Those do not work. We cannot mix and match these. Adding and subtracting go together, multiplying and dividing go together. Remember, whatever you do to one side of the equation, you must do to the other side. So we are going to solve for the variable. 4x plus 12 equals 32. I'm going to subtract 12 on each side. That leaves my variable term by itself. Now to get x completely by itself, we need to undo the multiplication. So we divide each side by 4. 20 divided by 4 is 5. For 2y minus 7 equals 23, I'm going to start by adding 7 to each side, and 2y equals 30, divide each side by 2, and y equals 15. We're still working from the outside in. For x over 3 plus 4 equals 21, subtract 4 on each side to get x over 3 equals 17. Now to undo this division, the inverse operation is multiplying. So multiply each side of the equal sign by 3. And x equals 51. Now we have something called like terms. And like terms have the same variable, so they have the same letter, or they do not have any variables at all. So 3 and 10 are like terms because they don't have any variables. And then 2x and 15x are like terms because they each have an x. If I have x's and y's, those are not like terms because they have different variables. We can combine like terms by adding or subtracting, and that will help simplify our equation. So 2x minus x plus 32 equals 36. I can have 2x minus x. 2 minus 1 is 1, so that's x plus 32 equals 36. Then subtract 32 to get x equals 4. Now I have 2 times 1 minus 5x plus 4 equals negative 8. This 1 and 4 can be combined. It's adding 4, so that makes 5. 5 minus 5x. And now I can divide each side by 2. Working from the outside in, I know that this 2 is being multiplied here. 2 goes into 8, so this is going to end as a nice whole number. And so I have 5 minus 5x equals negative 4. Subtract 5 on each side to get the variable term by itself. And then I'm going to divide each side by negative 5 to get x equals 9 over 5. And we're going to leave this as an improper fraction. I cannot simplify it, so I'm just going to leave it as it is.